Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to get Meta AI working in your Instagram group chat. First, make sure your Instagram is fully updated. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store and search Instagram. Once updated, open Instagram again. If Meta AI is still isn't showing, report the issue manually. Go to your profile, tap the three-line menu here. After that, go to help, go to help and then scroll to report a problem. Here, this one, click on it. Here again, click on it, then choose include and continue, and you can say like type I am missing Meta AI in group chats even after the updating, please fix this, then tap send. Instagram usually activates the feature within 1 or 2 business days after reporting. Once added, just type @Meta AI in any group chat to start using it. I hope this video helped. If it helped, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more quick tips.